Have you ever wondered why Pakistan, a country rich in resources and manpower, is caught in an unending cycle of economic crisis? This baffling paradox impacts millions, from urban businessmen to rural laborers. We're going to explore this through case studies from different provinces. Stay with us as we delve into this complex issue. From the fertile fields of Punjab to the mineral-rich lands of Balochistan, the economic crisis in Pakistan takes on different forms. Punjab, known as the breadbasket of Pakistan, faces a paradox. Despite fertile lands, farmers struggle. High input costs and low selling prices leave them in a perpetual cycle of debt. In Balochistan, the story is different but equally distressing. Blessed with abundant minerals, the region is nonetheless plagued by underdevelopment. The wealth beneath the soil doesn't translate into prosperity for its people. Turning to Sindh, we see an urban-rural divide. The bustling city life of Karachi contrasts sharply with the poverty-stricken rural areas. In Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, the challenge lies in lack of employment opportunities. Despite the province's potential in tourism and agriculture, the benefits often don't reach the common people. As you can see, the crisis transcends provincial boundaries, affecting everyone from the wealthy businessman to the poor laborer. Behind these economic numbers and trends, there are real people with real struggles. Consider the weary laborer in Punjab, grappling daily with the rising cost of living, or the affluent businessman in Sindh, whose wealth can't shield him from the nation's power crisis. Ponder the jobless youth in KPK, his dreams stifled by unemployment. Reflect upon the woman in Balochistan, her life made harsher by the scarcity of gas. These are not isolated stories but a reflection of a nation's struggle. Understanding the problem is the first step towards finding a solution. Let's engage with this pressing issue, share our perspectives, and raise our collective consciousness. Remember, awareness is power. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Together, we can make a difference.